And then there's a verse here at Hoksajam, verse 36, and Prabhupada explains that this is the result of deity worship. The deity worship will help the disciple keep his mind always engaged in the absolute truth. When one is constantly engaged in the service of the Lord's deity form and thinking of His lotus feet and how to please Him and satisfy Him, one will be automatically freed from material contamination. So now Prahlad explains to his friends that, you're all my friends, but actually our greatest friend, our best eternal friend, is always right within our heart. He is our well-wisher and our real friend, right inside our heart. And we should get to know Him. Atmanan Sakyu Ashesha Dehinam. The Lord in His super soul feature, He's always staying in the heart along with the living entity. Lord Krishna is so friendly to the living entity that He agrees to remain within the heart so that one can always contact Him without difficulty. How to do this? One can contact the Lord directly simply by performing devotional service. As soon as one hears Krishna Kirtan, he immediately comes in touch with the Lord. So there's no difficulty in coming in contact with the Supreme. It's very easy to connect with the Lord because He's right with us, He's right in our heart. Simply we say Hare Krishna, and that sound will connect us to Him. We will see Him in that transcendental sound vibration. We will feel His presence and form in our heart and see His pastimes flowing in our mind when we're chanting Shuddhanam. Now, Prabhupada makes a contrast in the purport. He says it's easy, there's no difficulty to contact God. But on the other hand, if you want to go to hell, it requires great endeavor. You have to acquire so many things and make so many arrangements to go to hell. You have to endeavor so much to set up brothels and meat-eating establishments and slaughterhouses and gambling casinos and restaurants and breweries and places to make booze. You have to work very hard to set up all these factories and materialistic places in order to perform simple activities by which to go to hell. So to go to hell requires a lot of endeavor. But to go back to Godhead, to go back home, it's very easy. Simply say Hare Krishna. You can live alone anywhere, in any condition. And sit down and meditate on the super soul, chant and hear about the Lord. No material arrangements are required. No hotel, no brothel, no breweries, no factories, no airplanes, no plane tickets, nothing. You can sit down and go back to Godhead very easily. Anywhere, without anything, without any clothes even, one can sit down on the bank of a river, drink some pure water, eat some leaves from the trees, chant the holy name and go back to Godhead. Not depending on anything from the material nature, but a little water and a few leaves. Pure souls are eternally in love with Krishna. And it's not difficult to revive this love. In this age, it's easily done by chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. One can revive his original relationship and love with the Lord. And thus one becomes so happy that he does not want anything material. So love gives the ultimate happiness. If one has love of God, then he has more happiness than he could ever conceive of.